Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am recreating Wamiqa Gabbi's stunning makeup look from her new movie. It's soft, glam and so wearable. I will show you step by step how I achieved this look using some of my favorite product. So let's get started. First thing first, I'm moisturizing my face with the Foxtale Moisturizer. It's a super glow moisturizer. This makes my skin feel so smooth and hydrated. It's a must before makeup. Now, moving on the foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This one gives a really nice natural finish and blends in beautifully. I use Mars foundation blending brush, and this brush is very affordable and amazing brush. After blending this foundation with my brush, I am going to use a beauty blender to give it a very smooth finish. To conceal and highlight, I am applying L'Oreal concealer under my eyes so that my under eyes will cover nicely, and I'm not going to use it all over my face because I just want a very natural finish. After that, I am going to blend it with a damp beauty blender and setting up everything with the Maybelline Compact, especially the under eyes area, to lock the base in place. Now I am using Swiss Beauty Contour Palette to contour my cheeks, jawline and nose slightly. I'm not using too much product on my face because the celebrity don't use too much products on their face. They keep it very natural. So this palette is really amazing for that look. Now for the eyes, I'm using the same contour palette for eyeshadow, taking the light brown shade in the crease and deeper brown on the outer corner to give that soft smoky effect. For eyebrows, I'm using Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. I'm keeping them soft and natural just like Wamiqa's look. Now I'm going to use this Renee Kajal. This Kajal is jet black and long lasting and super affordable. I just love this Kajal so much. It's super pigmented. I've applied this Kajal under my eyes and of course on the lash line, and then after that I am going to take that same contour palette, taking the light brown shadow and going to smudge this kajal very softly. So this is the very basic step to get this soft smoky eyes. In just two steps you get this amazing eye look. Now finishing this eye look with my favorite mascara. It's from Maybelline. This is waterproof and gives an amazing volume to my eyelashes. Now I'm taking Swiss Beauty highlighting palette to highlight my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. And from the same palette, I am going to highlight my cheekbones. And in that palette, it also has a pink highlighter which also do work as a blusher on my cheeks. Gives a very dewy, nice, shiny finish to my face. And going to highlight my nose and cheekbones with the same palette. Lips are super important in this look. I am outlining my lips with the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. Yes, multitasking here. It gives a very contour effect to my lips, and I'm going to use nude lipstick so it gives amazing effect to my lipstick. And I'm going to smudge it with my finger so that everything will look blend. I am using Baked Beauty lipstick as my base color. It's rich and creamy and of course the long lasting. I'm just only applying on the outer corner of my lips. Topping it off with Maybelline lipsticks to get that exact shade Wamiqa is wearing. It looks so good together. As you can see, that eyebrow pencil gave a very nice shape to my lips. The nude lipstick is look amazing. To lock everything in place, I am spraying Forever 52 setting spray on my beauty blender, and then I am going to tap all over my face. So it will remove excess powder on my face and give me a very dewy finish, and my makeup will set for a long lasting. I am going to quickly change into my outfit inspired by her movie look and do my hair. I am curling my hair for that soft effortless glam she is rocking. Taking small section and doing very soft curl, so it gives me a very wavy look as Vamika's look. So yeah, and this is the final look. I'm obsessed with how it turned out. Super soft, glam and wearable. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you would like me to recreate more celebrity look, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one. Bye.